real pretty.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Beyonce.
Beyonce?
Mm-hmm. Mr. One, let me see you run. Yes, that's me.
That's you.
That's me.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited, y'all, because today I'm turning myself into Beyonce. Okay, I'm just kidding, y'all, but we gonna quickly unbox her and I'm gonna get into the details because this unit is freaking fire. So anyway, I do have NADULA's honey blonde curly unit. She is 150% in density, and look how full and thick she is. She was so soft. I haven't washed her conditioner, y'all. She comes with a part, as you guys can see, and this is the lace. Okay, it's definitely transparent and it definitely comes pre-plucked. Of course it's bleached because it is a honey blonde color. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead with our cream foundation. Y'all know I have been raving about this ever since I found this product. I have not been using anything else. So like I said, the knots are already bleached because this is a honey blonde curly unit, so we don't need to bleach it. But I am gonna tint the lace, okay, because it's transparent and I want to have that flawless blend, that flawless melt. Okay, so after we get the cream on, we're gonna go ahead and seal it in with our got2b glue spray. All right, guys, so we about to put on her for the first time. She is mad cute. Y'all, I'm cracking up at myself because the footage that I be doing, the stuff I be doing, like if I would leave the raw footage in here, y'all would be rolling because I'm just a trip. But anyway, y'all see me cut off the lace from the unit. Like I said, I don't know if I said this already because yeah. Anyway, this unit was a cap size medium, I believe. I could have took a large because, you know, maybe my head is swelling just a tad bit, but it was a little bit snug, but you know, I can work with it. It wasn't like super tight, but I could have took another cap size. It's just crazy how just one technique can really change up your whole wig game. Like, I'm super in shock. Like, that don't even make sense, but I'm in shock because I've never had my laces melting at this flawless. Like, look at this. Are you freaking kidding me? But anyway, y'all, I'm being a little bit dramatic, but still, it just looks so bomb. Like, y'all know I would be quick, fast, in a hurry to pull down some baby hairs, but it's like now I don't even need baby hairs. Baby hair for what? Even though y'all know I did them already, but you know, it's not necessary. This is what the unit's looking like so far, and like I said, y'all know I don't really do color, but this color, I was thinking about, you know, tinting my eyebrows a little bit to match the wig, but I said, no, we're just gonna leave my eyebrows the way they are. But this hair color is so beautiful. And you know, sometimes with hair colors like this, the units be super dry, like mad dry. But I was shocked that NADULA, honey, this unit wasn't dry. I didn't need to co-wash it. Y'all already know when I say about curly units, they need to be co-washed, but this one, it's an exception. All right, guys, so I let my wig sit for 10 minutes just to let everything melt, and then I was hungry, so I tried to grab a snack or whatever. But anyway, y'all, I'm just fixing up the middle part because I've been feeling the middle parts lately. I do want to apologize, y'all, for my arm. It's a little scabby and looking a little nasty, but ain't nothing I can do. But we're taking the Erika J Wax Stick and we're gonna go ahead and get that all over the lace. I want my frontal portion of my lace to lay super duper flat. I'm just gonna be quiet for a little bit because I have been running my mouth, okay? This just looks so good. Oh my goodness. But anyway, y'all can see I'm razzle dazzling. I'm just making that part pop. Y'all already know that part. If you cannot see your part, what are you doing? What are you doing? All right, guys. So like I said, after watching this footage back, I'm comfortable with not putting the baby hairs. So I think my next install, I'm not going to do my baby hairs because it really don't need it. But then if you want baby hairs, you can do that too. So I'm just using my got2b glue. I went back to this gel, got2b glue gel. I'll put that in the description section too, y'all. And I'm telling you, it's super easy for me to use this product now versus back in the day. I don't know what I was doing. But anyway, y'all, this hair, when you have curly hair and you attempt to do baby hairs, it's super easy because the hair texture is curly, so it just swoops. Look at that. Like I was sitting here thinking, right, and I'm like, y'all, why does this look like a haircut? You know how you leave the hair, like, you don't put no baby hairs on the middle section, but you just put swoops on the side? It reminds me of like a fresh shape up from when like guys get their haircut. I don't know why I started thinking of it like that when you just do the swoops on the side. But anyway, y'all, that was so random. Let me be quiet so y'all can see me swoop these baby hairs. We about to do our curly hair routine or whatever. I want my curls to be very defined today, okay? I don't want the big, fluffy, messy curls. I want them very defined. So a big step into doing that is having a dimming brush, y'all. The dimming brush will have those curls looking like fresh noodles, okay? Like you open a pack of noodles and you're about to put it in some water. So anyway, as you guys can see, I'm saturating my hair with water. I'm gonna make sure it's not dripping wet, but I want everything coated with water. I'm only using 2 products, which is my Detangling milk and the 24-hour, I think it's curl spritz. I just used a little bit of that. But the key here is just really getting it fully wet with water, or you can use foam wrap lotion. But use your dimming brush, okay? I do scrunch up every now and then, but once I get all the products in, I really don't do anything. I just use my dimming brush and let the curls form by itself, okay? That is key. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the exact same on the other side. Like I said, when you got 18 inches of hair, it's really super easy and super quick for you to get this done. But look how thick this hair, you know, blows out once you fully detangle it. Y'all, I love this color. Okay, this is definitely going to be a wig I pull out for the fall winter time, y'all. And y'all know I don't do color. Okay, color without dark root is not my thing. But this honey blonde is definitely giving me Beyonce. And I feel like a superstar with this unit. Okay, now I did get a little bit of shedding here and there. Like I said, I didn't co-wash it or anything. This is just a fresh install straight out the box. So this is what you're gonna get, okay? I didn't experience any tangling at all. It was just a little bit of shedding. Like I said, it's gonna shed, okay? It's suspected. It's a curly colored, custom colored unit. So yeah, y'all, look how pretty this is. So I'm gonna let it air dry. Like I said, don't do too much teasing or it's gonna fluff up and be big. Just let it air dry. So this is pretty much it, y'all. I really hope you guys enjoy. It turned out super cute and I love it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to check out the description section. All the information in the hair, on the hair or about the hair will be listed down there. And yeah, your girl will see you in my next one. Bye guys.